Hi everyone, this is Kelsey from ShopVue, and I'll be walking you through our overall equipment effectiveness dashboard today. This dashboard focuses on 4 key metrics: OEE, availability, performance, and quality. Right now we're looking at the first sheet. This one here is the department OEE. We have a couple of filters that allow us to filter by number of weeks, days, or hours ago, as well as last or current shift. Our departments table breaks down each department's OEE availability, performance, and quality. The downtime Pareto is summing up downtime hours by our downtime reason, so we can see our leading cause of downtime. We have something similar to show off our scrap Pareto here. We're looking at the quantity scrap by scrap reason. On the right side of the dashboard at the top, we have a couple of navigation buttons that allow us to navigate between sheets. We can also use this drop-down menu and click to one of these sheets here, or use these buttons to jump to next or previous. We've got some gauges here summing up our 4 key metrics for the data set that we're looking at, as well as the number of stops. Our work center table is listing our work centers here with our 4 key metrics, as well as quantity good and quantity scrap. And lastly on this sheet is an hour by hour chart that's showing quantity good and scrap reported over the course of time. You can see if I hover over one of these, I can see some more finite information such as the hour that I'm looking at and the number of good and scrap reported. I can also make selections and drill in on this chart here just by dragging my mouse over. And I can see the rest of the dashboard has changed to reflect this time frame. I'm going to go ahead and clear that selection, and we can jump to the Work Center sheet. This sheet looks very similar to what we saw on the Department OEE sheet. The big difference here is our main table is now looking at Work Center, so we can see those 4 metrics for each Work Center, and our subtable is showing us the list of machines with those 4 key metrics in quantity good and scrap. Drilling into the machine sheet, we have no subtable here. We do have a new column in our machine table showing us the machine status, so we can see the last reported status for each machine. If there's a machine that we really care about, we can go ahead and make a selection, and we'll see this dashboard is kind of rebuilt to show us data relevant to that machine. We can jump into the OEE details sheet. And on this sheet, you'll notice we have a couple new filters here. We can now filter by department or work center from this sheet. The first table is showing us our 4 key metrics, as well as some additional information like sum of planned hours, downtime hours, earned hours, run actual hours, and again, quantity good and scrap. Below is the machine status table, where we can take a look at each status interval for the machine, so we can see it was in setup, there was a shift change, machine was waiting for work, and then it was running. If I click on a specific status interval, you can see this quantity details table now shows me the order that it was working on for this interval, as well as the step, the IQR time, the employee working on this, as well as quantity good and scrap. And since I do have scrap, I also know the scrap reason. Lastly in this dashboard is an image that's going to bring up how these formulas are calculated.